And today I'm going to show you how to make a seashell crown. So let's get started. The supplies you'll need are wire cutters, ribbon, scissors to cut the ribbon, a hot glue gun, and some seashells. So let's get started. Cut a piece of wire that will fit your scalp and form a circle. Swirl the ends around each other to keep it in place so it doesn't fall out. And just like that, you have a perfectly sized crown for your scalp. With ribbon, wrap it all around your crown until there's no wire to be seen. Just like that. Once you reach the end, apply hot glue onto the end part and wrap the ribbon around it. But be very careful with a hot glue gun. If you want, you can make a pretty bow in the back, so that way the crown will be more pretty. And now it's time for the fun part, gluing seashells onto the crown. Now you glue the seashells onto the crown using hot glue. Again, please be very careful with a hot glue gun, because you could really burn yourself with it. And repeat this step until the whole entire crown is completely covered. It's always best to apply hot glue on the underside as well, so the seashells don't fall out. And try not to add too much seashells to the crown, because then the crown will be very heavy. And here is the final result. You know, this will be a great gift for someone who loves seashells or if their birthday is coming up. You can also wear this to the beach if you're going to the beach for a spring break vacation. I hope you all liked this tutorial. If you did, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. I hope everyone is doing today. As you can see, I have on my seashell bracelet that I made the other day. If you haven't seen it yet, go check it out.